before we jump into today's tutorial, don't forget to check out this platform where you can get super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below. It is definitely going to help you save some money. So with that said, let's get back to our video. Now the platform I'm going to show you guys in this video allows you to generate free AI images and free AI videos. You don't need to pay any money before you start using the platform. Now before we jump into the video, if this is your first time here, make sure you go ahead, subscribe, turn on the bell icon. You can also join my free AI community. I'll leave the link in the video description down below. So with that said, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so all you need to do is to open up your Google and search Queen AI. Make sure you take note of the logo here because there are a lot of fake ones in the search here. So click on this one here. Once you click on it, it's going to load up and take you right here. Now there are actually lots of things you can do on this platform. So you can edit your images. They have the deep thinking mode. You can search the web. You can also create a web app, artifact. You can do some deep research, image generation, and video generations as well. So to get started, you can either download it on your device and use it locally on your device. But if you want to stay on the website and use the platform, just go ahead and click on Try Queen, and it's going to load up and take you right here. So come over here at the top, click on sign up, and it's going to load up and take you here. This is where you can just create your account using your basic information like your name, your email address, set up a password, accept their terms and conditions, and create your account. Or you can go ahead and create your account with Google directly and GitHub. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue with Google, select my email here. I already have an account, but I'm just creating a new account so you can see how the whole process works. So I'm going to click on continue. So this is the dashboard right here, super clean, very easy to navigate. Now, if you want to start creating anything, you can see everything is blank right here. So if you want to start creating, just come over here, click on the plus icon here, and over here you can upload files, image, video, and audio. So you can see deep search, create image, create video, web dev, and a lot more. So in this video we are going to be focusing on these two. So first I'm going to go ahead and try creating an image. So I'm going to click on it. This is going to open up here. You click over here and select the aspect ratio. So for me, I'm going to select 16:9. Then you go ahead and paste in your prompt. So let me go ahead and get my prompt and paste it right here. All right, so after that, I'm going to paste in my prompt right here and click on this arrow here, and you can see the image has started generating. So let's go ahead and wait for it and see what Queen AI is going to give us. All right guys, so you can see the image has been generated. The image has no watermark at all. Now that is for the image generation. Let's go ahead and open a new chat. We are going to click on it here, and now we are going to try to generate a video. So I'm just going to click on this plus icon here. Now remember, you can upload an image and animate it, but this time we are creating a new video from scratch. So I'm going to click on video, and once again the aspect ratio, we are going to set it to 16:9. But if you are creating videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram, or Facebook Reels, you can select 9:16. But I'm just going to leave it on 16:9, which is going to be a horizontal video. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in the same prompt we use in generating our image. So now we are going to go ahead and click on send, and you can see the video is now generating. The result is not going to be an image, it is now going to be a video. All right guys, so the video has been generated successful, as you can see it's right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on the video, and you can see right here the video comes with no watermark. You can go ahead and click on download and download the video straight to your mobile phone or onto your laptop. All right guys, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is to generate an image on this platform and then convert that image to video at the same time. Go ahead, open a new chat, and now I'm going to go ahead and select create image. Go ahead and paste in my prompt here to generate the image. Remember, our aspect ratio is 16:9, so I'm going to click here to start generating. So you can see here the image has been generated. Now to turn this image into a video, just go ahead and click on create video. Once you click on it, you can see the image is going to be added here as a reference image. Then you can now go ahead and describe the video you want to generate. All right, so all I'm going to do is to go ahead and paste in the prompts right here and click on this to generate a video from the image. So let's go ahead and wait for the result. Alright guys, so you can see the image has been animated. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead, click on download right here, and you can see it has been downloaded. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I share another free AI tool. That being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.